So that was the world around 12th century BC, and it was interconnected. It was a global world, globalist world. If you didn't know somebody, you knew somebody that knew that civilization, right? If you didn't have direct trade with a civilization, you at least knew uh, one or more civilizations that had direct contact with that civilization. But what happened was, blame it on the sea peoples or whatever, gone. Then you have the rise of Rome, right after Greece, after Alexander the Great and everything. And then you also have the Sasanians, and then their buffer states, which ran along here, and then you had like the Guptas down here. And what happened to them was peace. Oh yeah. Also, you had covering also into the Arabian Peninsula, mainly Ethiopia. You had the Abyssinian civilization, the Kushite civilization, Christian civilization, and you see Zoroastrian, pagan, Christian, and with combination of Islam and the barbarian invasions, wiped out. Now, those are just two instances. There are many, many more. Well, I should say there's really three more, but those are the major ones that I can show you, and that'll be fresh in your mind, right? And it was basically Islam that did it, because even when the Vandals and the Visigoths came down from here, and even the Huns, when they came in over here with the Tartars, some of them did, the Magyars, they kind of Romanized themselves. Even the Anglo-Saxons from Christian Ireland, which converted voluntarily, which the Northern Irish were called the Scots, Scottishized Pictland, and it became Scotland, and Christianity was coming down from here and also up from the new kingdom that was in Gaul called the Franks, the Frankish kingdom, and they were being Christianized from there too. So, which Christianity brought along things like schools and reading, writing, and roads and architecture and whatnot. So we have this great globalist society, right, where we got, we're too big to fail. Civilization can't ever collapse down to a dark age again. Everything's always going to be better. How many times in history have we said that? About 6, where it's like, there was a point when Greece lost the ability to write, became illiterate. There are languages, because all of the Earth's languages, right? All of the, I should say, writing styles come from 3 places. They come from Phoenicians, Chinese, and I'm blanking on the third one, but yeah, that's it. There's a third one. I think they count the Greco thing to be part of Phoenician, which then became Nabatean, and then Hebrew and Aramaic and Demonic, and not demonic, demotic. And then, of course, there's the runes, which don't really count. But there were whole civilizations that wrote, that got out of prehistory, that wrote, that we can't decipher what they wrote because gone. Imagine our cell phones get wiped. Imagine if our communication satellites get wiped out by like a nuke that up in the stratosphere that just destroys a bunch of things and sends a bunch of shrapnel around the like Gravity, like the movie Gravity, but a tons of it. We can't throw up any more satellites. There goes down the cellular communication. There goes down really high-speed web. Instant communication across the globe gone. Oh yeah, and guess where most of the world gets its food source from? Well, actually, that's not true. Shouldn't say that. Say America Falls. Where are you going to farm there? There was farmers in, where is it? Where, Zimbabwe and South Africa. But they were beaten down and basically kill all the whites is what Robert Mugabe preached. And now it's just subsistence farming. Can you farm the desert over here? There's some farming there. Still some farming in China. If need be, Poland can be farmed, but not a lot will grow there. Since the time of Rome, this is just an expanding desert. Rice maybe can grow in other countries. There's the breadbasket of the world right there. Now, if global warming takes off like crazy, like gangbusters, you know what will happen? This will be farmable up here. But yeah, barring that, I mean, we can technically support about 12 billion people easily. But without this, we can't even support a billion. Peace to you.